What's up, Glam Squad? It's your girl Glamorous TT here, and today we're going to be doing this cute Pac-Man theme makeup. Stay tuned. So of course, you guys, I already got my eyebrows and my base on. I'm gonna be packing on this yellow color, and I know you guys can see that the little hairs of my eyebrows are growing back. So hopefully in my next video you guys do not see that. Okay, hopefully. After I'm done blending that out, I am going to be adding a orange color, and that's gonna just be transitioning into yellow, orange, and then pink. So as I add new colors, I also want to go back in and reapply the other colors, just so I don't lose those colors when I'm blending, if that makes sense. I'm sorry to be rambling. So as you guys know, right here is just the process of blending. If you have to be there for a whole 5 to 10 minutes blending, no problem. You just want to make it look gradient and ombre as possible. So instead of concealer as my cut crease, I'm using my NYX eyeshadow base in white, and I'm just going to be doing a half cut crease. As you guys can see with this half cut crease, I didn't go too high. I just went right above my natural crease in my eye. I didn't want to go for that dramatic look as far as a high cut crease. So on my cut crease, I am applying a neon pigment, and you guys, I had a tough time with this pigment. It was coming out patchy, but I learned a new technique. So in my next video, I'm just going to be all about pigments and show you some cool hacks that I've learned to do. I don't know what you guys are gonna say, okay? You guys are gonna say, what's up with you and these glitter liners? But you guys, these glitter liners are so bomb, okay? Like I've had to add them to every look. Like, to me, they just enhance the look and make it look more better. I said look like 5 times, but don't mind me. After applying the glitter liner, I just want to go ahead and blend out this cut crease. I don't want it to look too harsh, so I went back with my pink and my orange just to blend it out. And you guys don't know my e.l.f. eyeliner, and I never told you guys what color. Well, I believe I never told you guys what color. I use colors charcoal and jet black. I've never tried the brown because I've never seen the brown. I actually want to try the brown, but in my area we only have limited e.l.f. products, so those are my go-to colors. And as you guys can see, I went a little bit thicker with this eyeliner. I just wanted to give it that cat effect, nothing too dramatic. But I did slip up, and I was like, you know what's gonna make this color pop? Some white. Okay, I'm going to be going in with my white NYX eyeliner, and you guys, I hate this eyeliner so much because of the fact that it dries so fast and it cracks. So once I'm done with the eyeliner, I did go ahead and add my lashes. I did decide to play the game because, you know, I wanted to play. Like, this whole look inspired me to play this game. And you guys, my whole life of playing this game, my boyfriend just told me I'm playing it wrong. I'm supposed to actually eat the ghost. Like, my whole focus was just to get the points. Like, my whole childhood is ruined. After applying my primer, I did go in and use my Venti Beauty foundation in shade 420. And I know you guys, this shade is a little bit lighter than my skin complexion, and it's only because I couldn't find my skin type at the time. The first shade that I did buy from Sephora, the lady checked me with some kind of machine and she gave me 340, and you guys, that literally turned my face orange when it oxidized. I did go back online and I said, you know what, I think the shade 420 would be best for me, just based on reviews and what I saw other women wearing, because I know my shade in MAC, I'm at NC 45, so I did refer to what those ladies were saying, and 420 was the one for me. But I'm gonna try to mix them one day. As you guys know, I'm in love with this Juvia's Place concealer, so I'm gonna put that on and blend that out the best way I can. So I was trying out this cream contour kit that I got from Kmart. It was Black Radiance, but it wasn't dark enough for me. Okay guys, so that was a complete epic fail. Instead of using my Sahara by Juvia's Place, I did go in with my Beauty Bakery flour, and that was my holy grail. That, my Black Radiance, and the Sahara. Those are my top 3 favorite setting powders. I did go back in with some pigment to add on my lower lash line, and also my inner corner of my eyes. Me being the glitter queen, I did have to add glitter somewhere besides the glitter liner, so I just packed on some glitter to the inner corner of my eyes. Once my eye look is complete, I did go in and add mascara to my bottom lash, just so I could get that extra pop. Now here is where the fun begins, okay you guys? So I am using my NYX eyeshadow base in white just to outline the Pac-Man, the dots, and the Boogie Boogie Boo monster, okay? I'm not sure whether to call it a monster or a ghost. But as you can see, it's self-explanatory. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just drawing the Pac-Man outline. Once I'm done outlining the Pac-Man and everything, I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow and just pack on some color. So of course you guys know that Pac-Man is like a yellowish orange color. The dots are usually white or yellow, but I just wanted to incorporate some blue in that, and my favorite color is pink, so I really had to use a pink ghost. Once I'm done filling in the color and outlining them, I am going to add the eyes and whatever features of the characters may need. I also incorporated some brown just to give it that shadow effect, to make it look more 3D, like it's coming out of my face. To finish off this look, I did go in with a liquid lipstick in color black, and you guys, it looked bomb, okay? I did go overboard with the highlight, but it was needed, and this is my finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.